So sketching with ChemDraw, the first thing you do is there are many ways you can do this. You can convert name to structure. For example, you have a compound paracetamol. You just type the name in, and if you wish, you could paste the name below the structure. It's optional, and okay. And there you have the structure of paracetamol. But in case you want to sketch a compound yourself, all these tools are available for help. So you could select the benzene ring and just click to drop it here. Click on this and sketch. Then the next thing you do is you could add chemical symbols here. Okay, to do that here, text. So once you put it here, you have OH. So we're going to draw another line. And we have this for the NH. Take for another line. Select this. So you can save this as, you save it as an SDF file. You save it with the name paracetamol. So and save it on our desktop. So now that it's saved on our desktop, we can close it. Good. Let's locate. You can see it here. So we can also open this with gas view. So we're going to see the options. Would you like to add hydrogen atoms? Because ChemDraw doesn't come with hydrogen atoms, it doesn't show since it's a 2D structure. Yes, so once you have it like this, all you need to do is edit and go to clean. There you have your, so there are many ways to go about it.